Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Look what I'm standing in front of. It's called the Welington. This is the quintessential family home. It is 3,518 square feet, 5-bedroom, 3 to 3.5 bath home. 2-car garage, can be optioned up on the right lot with a 3-car garage. Let's go take a peek at this guy. This is pretty cool. All right, guys, let's go take a look at the Welington. This is, again, like I said, the quintessential family home. 2-car garage, but on the right lot can be optioned up with a 3-car garage. The front of the elevation normally has a single door. This has been optioned up with the double doors and the glass. So pretty cool. So let's go inside and check it out. We appreciate you guys hanging out with us today. We've got our nice stairwell, again, optioned up with the wood treads. This is what they call they're calling it on their plan a living room. It's a den really, but it's been optioned up with the double French doors here that you can do. So that's kind of nice. All right. So let's kind of make our way into the home. You'll see the dining space. And when I say this is a quintessential family home, you're starting to see little things like an independent dining room. That's a pretty good sized table. This is our entry to our garage. Pretty standard stuff, okay? Of course, if it was a 3-car, it would be bigger. Nothing crazy there, all right? You got nice under here, you got a nice little stair storage, or under stair storage, okay? So I just want to get through that because this is where she starts to shine. Look at this space here, okay? If you come back over here, you can see the cafe space. This has got the upgraded island, gourmet kitchen. Pretty nice. See what our pantry looks like over here. Pretty good size. Yeah, decent size. Okay. Let me spin around here. They've done the island with a different type of cabinet, which I always think is really cool versus, doing the same as the base cabinets. Now Dreamfinders does a lot of this. Their Avalons, their Camden plans. They do a lot of this rotunda type window setup here on the back. Very cool. I love to be able to put a huge round table. Makes it so much nicer when you sit and chat and having dinner with folks. Okay. Look at this. Pretty nice. All right, let's go over here. Now this has got the standard slider doors on it, but this can be optioned up to pocket doors where it slides and disappears over there. This one's got the optional, if you can see it, it's got the optional kitchen stub outs for water, power, and gas. Okay. Coming on over here, we got a nice closet space, air handler, and downstairs bath. Okay, I believe this is normally a tub shower, I believe. No, this is normally a shower space, okay, by the looks of it. So they've got that really nice. Okay, come on over here. I'm excited to get you guys upstairs. Pretty cool. Pretty standard bedroom here on the downstairs. You got someone staying here over the weekend, long term. They want their own private space. You got a bathroom, and they've got some areas to call their own, I'll say, because it's kind of hidden back here. All right. But if we go upstairs, oh my gosh, that's where the family's going to live. Let's go on up there. We appreciate you guys. Honored to give you great information. Let's see what we got here. All right. I'm excited to show you guys this. All right. All right, here we go. As we come up, this is like the area, this is like the entry area for the whole upstairs. This is a nice loft area because if we go to the left, we have a bedroom, laundry space, but we go here to the bedroom, pretty good sized secondary bedroom, let me tell you. I mean, the Welington at 3,500 square feet is no slouch home. Look at this. We got laundry space. And this is what they're calling the bonus room on the upstairs. So you have a full-blown second story and a bonus room mixed in with its own powder bath. Okay? This is quite the hangout space, let me tell you. Coming across the entry hallway, we have multiple bedrooms. We have our standard, our 2-sink bathroom, full size, pretty cool. Look at this. Another good sized bedroom with a play space. What they call a play space. Pretty nifty. All right, and then we got a nice little mini walk-in closet. I'm telling you guys, this is a serious family home. Wow. Coming to another bedroom. All of these bedrooms are good size. That's a double reaching, goes all the way across that wall. Then we got nice little linen closet. That is our second air unit. And double doors coming into the master suite. And this is a master suite. It is big. Wow. And you have, this is the standard setup. I don't know that there's any options to do anything different, but it's got a huge piece of glass, big glass doors, soaking tub with a nice window. If you put this on the right lot with nobody back there on a preserve lot, oh my God, water lot, oh my gosh, the view, especially if you have it where it's facing east. The back of the house was facing east, so you get a lot of sunrise out of there in the mornings. Oh my gosh. Plenty of cabinet and countertop. I love the round. I like the way they round at the corners. What do we got back here? Oh, this is kind of hidden. One little big linen closet. Toilet space back here hidden away. Pretty cool. And then your walk-in closet. And this is no slouch either. Oh my gosh. Again, the Welington does not disappoint on the use of square footage. Wow. I'm amazed. This is, if you're looking for a family home, this is it, my friends. All right, gang, that was the Welington. Big, big family home. Beautiful home. Well laid out, I think. A lot of great space, a lot of huge spaces for the family upstairs. Anyway, if we can give you a hand, give us a shout out. We'd love to chat with you, learn a little bit about what you're trying to accomplish, let you learn a little bit about us. And on that, I want you to have a great day. Thanks.